Any real estate project must include land surveying, and Bangalore's Kenganahalli neighborhood offers plenty of land surveyors. But there are also several well-known land surveyors in Bangalore who live in Kamasandra, a nearby neighborhood. These experts are outfitted with cutting-edge equipment and technology to precisely measure and map the area, delineating the limits and spotting any potential problems. For developers, architects, and engineers to design and carry out any building project, this knowledge is essential. Land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, are the best choice for any land surveying requirements in the area because they have a lot of expertise and knowledge of the local terrain. Bangalore's Kittanahalli is a neighborhood that is rapidly growing. Due to Kittanahalli's expanding real estate market, there is now a greater requirement for land surveyors. To assist people and businesses in making wise decisions, land surveyors are essential in precisely measuring and mapping the land. You could also take into account the surrounding community of Kamasandra if you're seeking for knowledgeable land surveyors in Kittanahalli. In Kamasandra, there are a number of reputable land surveyors who can offer you trustworthy and accurate surveying services at reasonable costs. You can avoid future legal conflicts by hiring a qualified land surveyor, which is a smart investment for your property. You found the best location if you're seeking for private land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore. Our team of qualified experts is committed to offering local residents, property developers, and companies accurate and trustworthy land surveying services. Our services are also available in adjacent communities like Kamasandra. With the use of cutting-edge tools and technology, our land surveyors in Kamasandra, Bangalore, are able to provide accurate measurements and thorough reports. We can assist you if you require boundary survey staking services. Our company is aware of the urgency of time in relation to land surveying tasks. We make an effort to do our task quickly without sacrificing quality because of this. To ensure that clients are completely informed throughout the surveying process, our staff also works directly with them. In conclusion, go no further than our team if you're looking for private land surveyors in Kittanahalli or Kamasandra, Bangalore. We're dedicated to offering top-notch surveying services that satisfy your specific requirements and go above and beyond what you anticipate. Kamasandra is a well-known area for land surveying in Bangalore because of its many residential and commercial buildings. But if you're searching for land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore, you might want to take into account the cost and level of service provided by various surveying companies. Finding skilled and dependable land surveyors who provide reasonable pricing without sacrificing accuracy and precision is therefore crucial. Start your search for land surveyors in Kittanahalli, Bangalore, by looking online or getting recommendations from friends and coworkers. To be sure that the surveying companies have the knowledge and experience essential to manage your job, you may also review their qualifications and prior work. Once you've narrowed down your choice of surveying companies, you can ask them for estimates so you can evaluate their costs and quality of work.